Back here at home, Samsung Electronics posted its worst quarterly results in 14 years amid falling prices and demand for chips. The sluggish performance will likely continue into the second quarter before gradually improving in the second half of the year. Our business correspondent Shin Ha-young reports.
First quarter profits for South Korean tech giant Samsung Electronics almost halved from the previous year amid continued sluggish global chip demand. The company on Thursday reported an operating profit of around 640 billion Korean won, which at the current rate is roughly $477 million, a dramatic 95.5% on-year drop. The figure dropped below the 1 trillion won level for the first time in 14 years. Sales for the same period plunged by about 18% on-year to 63.7 trillion won or $47.5 billion. The latest results were mainly driven by the weaker performance in the industry due to the global economic slowdown. Memory chip prices are falling as demand drops and inventory swells. In fact, the operating loss for the company's chip business came to almost 4.6 trillion won or $3.4 billion. It's the first time Samsung's chip department has posted a deficit since the global financial crisis in 2009. Chip sector sales came to around 14 trillion won or $10 billion, down nearly 50% from the previous year. Meanwhile, the firm's DX division, which makes mobile phones and TVs, saw its sales drop slightly from the year before to 46 trillion won or roughly $34 billion. The company predicts sluggish demand to continue in the second quarter as well, but to gradually rise in the second half of this year, with performance expected to recover during that period. Shin Ha-young, Arirang News.